Hi guys, this is Agota from Rose Gold and I would like to show you some different ways how to decorate your own roll-on bottles. Are you ready? Let's do this! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a marble bottle. Let's get started. So here is what you need to make marble bottles. I'm going to take you through the steps to make a black and red marble bottle. First I'm going to put hooks in the bottles. This will make it easier to roll them in the paint. If you don't have any hooks at home, don't worry, I have a video where I show you how to make one. You can find the link in the description. Now I clean the glass with alcohol. This is an essential step to ensure that the paint sticks. I'm just waiting until the alcohol dries off. Okay, let's prepare the marbling medium. I use pouring medium for that. Whichever pouring medium you use, check the bottle to determine the mixing ratio. Then choose your multi-surface acrylic paint colors. I'm going to go for black and dark red. First, shake it well. Add a good squeeze of paint to the plastic cup. I'm going to paint 3 or 4 bottles, so I don't need much paint for this project. Do the same with the black paint. A good squeeze. Then add half amount of pouring medium to each cup. The mixture is 2:1 ratio, meaning you have double the amount of paint as you do pouring medium. Please read instructions of your pouring medium because it could be different. Okay, fully mix each color with a plastic spoon. The marbling medium thins out the paint to allow it to drip and flow down the glass. If your mixture is too thick, it won't dry properly. Okay, now add a layer of paint color to the paper food tray. Here is another tip. Your paint should not be lumpy. If it is, it means it's old. Throw it out and choose a different color because it won't dry properly. Drip drop, slop the paint on the tray or just use a plastic spoon to create your marble look. When you have a good coverage of paint, use one spoon to drag and swirl the paint around a little bit. Gently dip and roll each glass through the marble paint tray. And that's literally all you need to do. Cover as much or as little as you want. It's really simple. You cannot ruin it. Cover the bottom of the glass too and hang it on a dryer rack or anything that will let it hang freely to dry. You can use Martha Stewart's marbling medium in America, but it's not available in Hungary, unfortunately. You can check my Insta for other combinations of colors. I recommend including white and black plus 3 or 4 other complementary colors. Okay, now I'm done with all the 3 bottles. I'm just gonna hang it on to my hanging rack like this. My dear father made it for me. Let the bottles dry for 30 minutes at first, then go back and dab the bottom of each glass to remove paint that has dripped and pooled to the bottom of the glass. You don't want big globes of paint here, like this one, or the bottle won't stand up when it is dry. I left them a little bit longer so the paint is already dry, only their bottoms are wet. You see? Total dry time is 72 hours. I recommend drying for 30 minutes, wipe off excess paint, dry overnight. Then in the morning carefully turn the bottles upside down and let them finishing drying for 48 hours. If any paint has peeled off or pulled up, no problem. You can touch it up with a little more paint or try to carefully peel it off and touch up. Okay, now they are dry, let's check them out. Be careful not to allow the bottles to touch. If you do, they will stick together and the paint will peel off like here. If there any excess paint on the neck of the bottle, you can get rid of it with a cutter knife like this. Okay, now I'm gonna seal it to make it more durable. I'm using gel polish from Crystal Nails. I really like it. It's easy to use and it's gonna be ready in 3 minutes. So let's cover the bottle with gel. Make sure you cover the whole bottle, you don't want to have any gaps. Now let's cure it for 3 minutes. Okay, it's done. It's nice and shiny. Aww, I love it. I love this color combination. For this color combination, you can use red jasper or black obsidian rollerboards, for example. I will go for red jasper and a matte golden cap. Nice. Here are some other ideas you can make. So this is the red and black, orange, silver, blue, pink, green and silver. This is 3 different pink, green, gold and yellow, 3 different blue, and red, orange, yellow. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Also check out my Etsy shop, you can find there these bottles and more. Send us a picture if you create one of these, we love seeing your creativity. If you use Instagram, please use the hashtag rosegoilddiy and it will show up on our page. Thanks for watching, happy crafting!